Hello guys, welcome back to Fix Genie. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Lenovo laptop diagnosing your PC. First, completely shut down your laptop by pressing and holding the power button. Now, turn your laptop back on and wait until you see the Windows logo. As soon as you see the Windows logo, press and hold the power button again to force the laptop to shut down. Repeat this process 2 more times. On the next startup, don't shut down the laptop. Windows should display Preparing Automatic Repair and then open the Windows Recovery environment. Now, click Advanced Options. Next, select Troubleshoot, then click Advanced Options. Now, select Command Prompt. Once Command Prompt opens, we'll run a few commands to repair Windows. First, type chkdsk. Press Enter and allow the disk check to finish. Then type sfc//scan now. Press Enter and wait for the scan to finish. This can take a few minutes and will check for and repair corrupted Windows system files. When it finishes, enter the following commands one by one. Type bootrec/rebuild bcd. Press Enter and wait for the process to complete. bootrec/fixmbr. Press Enter. Then type bootrec/fixboot. Press Enter. Next. Finally, run. When all the commands are completed, type exit and press Enter. Now click Continue to restart your laptop and boot back into Windows. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.